Why is your orthopedic surgeon driving a luxury car while you limp in pain? He is rich because he sold you a lie about your own bones. He told you that cartilage cannot grow back once it is gone. He told you that arthritis is just wear and tear from getting old. He wants you to believe your knees are like old tires that wear out. This analogy is a complete fabrication designed to sell you surgery. Your body is not a car. It is a living, regenerating machine. Living tissue is designed to repair itself if it has the right raw materials. They are waiting for your joints to grind down so they can replace them. Knee and hip replacements are a billion-dollar industry that relies on your suffering. They prescribe painkillers that destroy your stomach and kidneys while you wait. But what if I told you the cure for arthritis was removed from your food? What if the pain in your joints is just a simple chemical deficiency? I am going to show you how to regrow your cushion naturally. There is a forgotten mineral that acts as the architect of your skeleton. It tells your body where to build bone and where to build cushion. Without it, your frame collapses and your joints turn to dust. This mineral is called boron, and it is the best-kept secret in medicine. In places where boron is high in the soil, arthritis does not exist. In Jamaica, where the soil is dead, 70% of people have arthritis. In Israel, where the soil is rich in boron, the rate is less than 1%. This is not a coincidence. This is biological proof. Modern farming has stripped boron out of the soil to grow faster crops. You are eating empty vegetables that look healthy but contain nothing. This is why you have the bones of an 80-year-old at age 50. Your doctor knows this, but he cannot patent a mineral from the earth. He cannot charge you $50,000 to prescribe a boron supplement, so he ignores the cure and schedules you for the operating room. We are going to reverse this deficiency and rebuild your joints today. Boron is not just a nutrient, it is a master controller of your hormones. It regulates the parathyroid hormone which controls calcium in your body. When you are low in boron, calcium gets confused and goes to the wrong place. It leaves your bones, making them brittle and weak like chalk. It settles in your joints, causing bone spurs and grinding pain. You are literally turning to stone in your joints while your bones crumble. Boron stops this process instantly and reverses the flow of calcium. It sends the calcium back into the bone where it belongs. It softens the joint tissue and dissolves the painful spurs naturally. But the most shocking power of boron is how it saves your cartilage. Your body has enzymes that are designed to eat up old, damaged cartilage. But in arthritis, these enzymes go crazy and eat everything in sight. Boron acts as a specific inhibitor that shuts these enzymes down. It stops the destruction immediately, allowing the builders to come back in. Once the destruction stops, your body naturally begins to weave new cartilage. Pain is just a signal that the destruction is happening faster than the repair. When you take boron, you flip the equation in your favor. The inflammation vanishes because the cause of the damage is gone. Studies have shown that boron works better than prescription anti-inflammatory drugs. It does not just mask the pain, it fixes the structural integrity. This mineral also boosts your natural production of testosterone and estrogen. These are not just sex hormones, they are growth factors for your bones. Old people break their hips because their hormones drop and their bones dry out. Boron restores these levels to a youthful state without dangerous steroids. It creates a biological environment where a skeleton can stay strong forever. But you cannot get enough boron from the supermarket anymore. You would have to eat 10 pounds of apples a day to get a therapeutic dose. You need to supplement with a specific form called boron glycinate or citrate. The dosage is critical and the government recommendation is too low. They tell you that 1 milligram is enough, but that is a starvation ration. To reverse arthritis, you need between 3 milligrams and 6 milligrams daily. Some biohackers go up to 10 milligrams to speed up the healing process. It costs pennies per day, yet it works better than a golden surgery. You must also combine boron with the raw material for the cushion. Boron is the architect, but you still need the bricks to build the wall. The bricks for your joints are collagen and hyaluronic acid. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together, but eating collagen alone does not work if you do not have the boron. The boron tells the collagen exactly where to go and how to organize. Take a high-quality hydrolyzed collagen peptide powder every morning. Mix it with your boron supplement and a splash of vitamin C. Vitamin C is the energy that fuses the collagen strands together. This trio, boron, collagen, vitamin C, is the reverse doctrine for joints. Stop listening to the diagnosis of doom from your specialist. Bone on bone sounds scary, but it is not a permanent sentence. Your body is constantly recycling every cell in your skeleton. You get a brand new skeleton every 10 years if you feed it right. If you feed it junk, you get a junk skeleton that breaks. If you feed it boron, you get a skeleton of steel and joints of silk. You will feel the difference in your knees within 2 weeks. The popping and grinding sounds will start to fade away silently. You will be able to walk up the stairs without gripping the railing. Your grip strength will return as the inflammation leaves your hands. This is the freedom that they wanted to charge you for. They wanted to sell you a plastic knee that lasts only 15 years. We are offering you a natural knee that lasts a lifetime. You are reversing the metabolic error of modern agriculture. You are taking back the mineral that nature intended you to have. Do not let them cut you open until you have tried this protocol. Surgery is permanent, but so is the damage it causes to your nerves. Natural healing leaves no scars and has no recovery time. It only requires you to open your mind and swallow a simple pill. The medical industry relies on your ignorance to pay their bills. They rely on you believing that the body is a machine that wears out. Prove them wrong by dancing at your granddaughter's wedding. Prove them wrong by hiking the mountain they said you couldn't climb. The power to regenerate is encoded in your DNA right now. Boron is simply the password that unlocks that file. Enter the password, download the update, and fix the bug. Your joints are not dead. They are just waiting for instructions. Give them the signal and watch the miracle of biology happen. This is the reverse doctrine, and we do not accept the wheelchair, we run.